Long formulas feel smart, but they are usually a sign that you are asking one cell to do too many jobs. If your Excel formula is longer than this line, there's a 90% chance you are solving the problem the hard way. Let me show you the rule I use instead. Here's the trap. We're taught that a good Excel user can cram everything into one perfect formula. So we nest ifs, wrap things in XLOOKUPs, add text functions, and the moment something breaks, nobody, including you, wants to touch it again. Let's make this concrete. If the customer is Acme Corp, the region is East, and the sales are over 15,000, return high priority. Otherwise, return normal. This always starts reasonable. Then we add one more condition. Then the data isn't clean. Then another business rule. And in case sales value breaks, we patch the fragile part in if arrow. And suddenly, the formula is doing everything. At this point, the formula technically works. But look at what it's doing. Cleaning data, applying logic, and producing the final result. 3 jobs, all in one place. This is the kind of formula people feel proud of and regret later. The real cost is trust. When someone else opens this file and sees this monster formula, they don't verify it. They copy it. And that's how bad logic spreads quietly through teams. And notice, the solution here isn't a smarter formula. If one cell needs this much logic, stop. Split the work. One column cleans the customer name. One column cleans the region. One column flags whether sales are high. And one final column handles the logic, making the final decision. Same result, but now each column does one job, which means I can debug it in seconds, change one step without breaking everything, and trust it in 6 months from now. Excel is not a code golf competition. Let's look at a much simpler case. You receive a column of product codes where the usable ID is everything before the dash. This isn't even a long formula, but the same logic applies. All the logic lives in one cell. It isn't advanced, it's fragile. So instead, I make the failure visible. Now, errors are visible, logic is obvious, anyone can fix it. This isn't an if problem, it's a single cell thinking problem. Think of Excel like this. Cells are steps, not destinations. A worksheet is a process, not just result. When you break formulas apart, you're not being less advanced. You're being professional. This is how I think about Excel now. Fewer tricks, better rules. Next time you're about to write a monster formula, stop. Add a column instead. So if you want to get faster and more confident with Excel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Kiki and I will see you in the next one.